will be possible by the three people, that is Richard Branson, Jeff Bezos and the Elon Musk. So the Richard Branson on 11 July with two of his pilot and three other crew members in the Unity spaceship flew to the sky and the mission was successful. So he was the first man to go to the space in his own spaceship. So now let's talk about the technical details of that spaceship. So it is a very interesting to know about that spaceship because it was not a rocket that was launched from the launch pad, but it is an aeroplane. So actually what happened, that aeroplane in a runway will be attached by the two small plane, and when they will take off together when they reach at the height of 50 kilometer feet altitude, then that two small plane will be detached from that mother aeroplane, and that mother aeroplane will take up a supersonic speeds, and it will reach at the 88,000 kilometer field of altitude and above the surface of the earth. And at that height a person can experience the weightlessness for the 4 minutes, and after that a plane will be land on the runway like a normal plane. So if we talk about the cost of that spaceship, it will be a 2.5 crore per person, and which is definitely a very cost for the normal person cannot afford it. So now let's talk about the environmental impact of that spacecraft. So that spaceship release carbon emissions a lot, and which will deplete the ozone layer. If we talk that in a normal flight, it releases carbon emissions of 0.2 kg, but if you talk about that spacecraft, then it releases 12 kg of carbon emissions. As we can imagine, it's a huge. So when it launch also, it releases a lot of heat, and which create a surface ozone layer. So as we see that it is a result of this spacecraft that it create a ozone in the surface, and it reduce the ozone in the atmosphere also. So at the end I would like to say that this is some point that we should remember in the near future, when the space tourism will be common for everyone, and we should come up with some of the solution of this problem. Jai Hind.